Welcome to Coimbatore, the second largest city in Tamil Nadu, also known as Kovai, which is surrounded by the thickly forested Western Ghats mountain range. And with the cool breeze blowing through the Palakkad Gap, Coimbatore enjoys the most pleasant climate among all the cities in Tamil Nadu. Lying on the foothills of the Western Ghats, Coimbatore enjoys a close proximity to the most popular hill station in South India, Ooty. Coimbatore International Airport at Peelamedu caters domestic flights to all major cities in India and international flights to Sharjah and Singapore. Train service in Coimbatore started in 1863, and now the Coimbatore Railway Junction happens to be the second largest income generating station in the Southern Railway Zone after Chennai Central. Coimbatore also boasts of a well-connected road transport with 3 national highways passing through it. The well-connected network of intercity and intra-city buses operate from different bus stations spread across the city. Surrounded by cotton fields and for its extensive textile industry, Coimbatore is popular as the Manchester of South India. The launch of Tidal Park has seen a remarkable growth in the IT and BPO industry, making Coimbatore the second largest software producer in Tamil Nadu behind only Chennai. Considered the education hub of South India, Coimbatore is home to reputed universities, various research institutions, about 78 engineering colleges, 3 medical colleges, more than 150 arts and science colleges. Coimbatore is also the most preferred healthcare destination for neighbouring Kerala and all nearby cities. About 750 hospitals, including many large multi-facility private hospitals covering all aspects of medical sciences. Coimbatore makes it more diverse and cosmopolitan than the other cities of Tamil Nadu. With every major 5-star hospitality group choosing to open its operation in Coimbatore, the hospitality industry is growing by leaps and bounds. Many new entertainment centers are mushrooming across the city, including the Brookfields Mall and the Fun Republic Mall. Crosscut Road in Gandhipuram and Raja Street are the largest and popular shopping hubs in Coimbatore. Owing to the strange amalgamation of rapid industrial and infrastructural growth, yet the pleasant climate and the laid-back nature of the residential life in Coimbatore makes it a popular destination for people to make Coimbatore their home. Greetings from Shriram Properties. Shriram Properties is the realty arm of Shriram Chits and Financial Services Group with a legacy of 40 years of building trust and confidence. Our track record: 69.46 million square feet of development across the country. Completed 19 residential projects, including 5 in Coimbatore, with 5,000 dwelling happy families. Projects in Chennai, Bangalore, Vizag, Kolkata, Coimbatore, Hyderabad, and shortly in Pune and Trichy. Welcome to Shriram Shrestha. Shriram Shrestha conveys the unique nature and features of the project, meant to be another landmark from Shriram Properties. Our project Shriram Shrestha offers a perfect choice of home. Shriram Shrestha is the 6th prestigious venture from the house of Shriram Properties in Coimbatore. Shriram homes are designed with insightful planning and thoroughness in quality. Setting new paradigms of affordable luxury, Shriram offers future-perfect locality options, ensuring appreciation of your investment. The villas of Shriram Shrestha are designed for maximum freedom with free space on all 3 sides and interconnected to the minimum. The location of Shriram Shrestha is endowed with nature's abundance with regard to water, idle soil, refreshing wind, etc. At Shriram Shrestha, we complement this with a full range of amenities and facilities which take care of the leisure, health, fitness and fun requirements of the entire family. Shrestha's is an exquisite layout with 65% open space, beautiful sloping land and ample green. In other words, Shrestha offers you a wholesome, enjoyable life. Amenities: clubhouse, multi-purpose community hall, pantry, library, reading room for students, strolling track, yoga room, cricket pitch, badminton, tennis, squash, table tennis, billiards, parlor, crush, swimming pool, kids pool, ladies gym, gents gym, jogging track, walking track, kids play park, toddler zone, open amphitheater, barbecue, reflexology pathway, gazebo, ATM, skating track, basketball post, medical examination room, indoor games, music room, dance floor, virtual golf, laundry, solar powered heat water, RO treated soft water for domestic use, solar street light, butterfly garden, maze garden, man-made forest.